Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome back to another K-Riz flick. This is not the video y'all are supposed to see today, but it is. We got Alexis looking good, looking delicious. She do need to be cleaned. But yeah, this is not the video y'all are supposed to see today because I messed up. You know what I'm saying? Check this hoodie out though. Y'all like this? I like that. I like this hoodie. All right. Now, your boy's still new to this, and while editing and exporting the video y'all are supposed to see, which is me put on the cold air intake, I managed to delete it. And in the process of deleting it, I already uploaded the original video to YouTube. YouTube copyrighted that video. So in me making efforts to fix the copyright by editing it myself to where it won't get copyrighted, I managed to export it and my phone died because I edit my videos on my phone because I don't have or don't know the software to use for Microsoft or Windows. Somebody put that down in the comments, some good recommendations for that, please. I will greatly appreciate you. But anyway, I'm exporting it on my phone. This is like the third attempt because my phone has died twice after fixing it. And when I export it and it dies, it saves all the data as if it exports the video, but the video will never finish. So every time I export it, it's stacking on more data and running up my storage until the phone cannot take anymore, which is what happened. So when I did that, I was like, all right, let me clear the storage up so I can finally get this video up. I cleared the storage, and then after that, my phone didn't say that it still had more data left. So it said large files, and it was 3 o'clock in the morning, by the way. I cleared it, threw it all in the trash, saw the large data files, cleared it, threw it all in the trash. I did not know the large data files were all the clips from the video I just made. So the video y'all are about to see in the next upload will have this large portion of me putting the intake on, and there's no sound. There's no sound for that section. So y'all are just gonna have to bear with it or just skip it, you know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing I could really do. And I probably can find the videos from my GoPro, but I can't recreate it. I can't recreate the rest of the video because that's gone. So bear with me. I hope y'all still enjoy the video because it's still, the rest of the video didn't get copyrighted. It's literally the section where I put the intake on, which is ridiculous, but whatever. We, however, are gonna keep it moving because when we face adversity, we don't stop to pity ourselves or feel sorry for ourselves. We put a foot forward and we keep moving forward, you feel me? I'm low-key scared for this Marrow in front of me. Bro got like this, I don't know what type of plate he got on, but it's not a real plate. These officers kind of silly over here. But I'm not really a Marrow fan, you know what I'm saying? I'll drive one. I like Camaros, but I'm not really, nobody can like put a Camaro in my face for a good price and be like, oh, I'm gonna buy it. No, I genuinely, I can't. That joint, you know, it's not really for me. I'd rather save up for like an ISF with miles. I'd rather save up for an ISF with miles than to buy a brand new Camaro. That's just me. But, because I'd rather get a Mustang, to be honest. Mustangs are more practical for me. But yeah, let me show y'all basically what y'all about to see in the next video. It's really just this. That's all it is, to be honest. Whole lot of test hits, public roads, and a cold air intake installment or whatever. I don't know, but y'all get the idea, man. This is probably just gonna be a raw video. Yeah. I feel you, buddy. I feel you. Man, I hate when people do that, bro. I knew he was gonna do that, so I didn't panic, but he put his emotions in that horn for me, bro, because I genuinely hate when people do that. But anyway, I'm about to go to the gas station and get some snacks. But yeah, like I said, this is probably just a raw, short video. I'm not gonna do much editing. Probably just gonna cut all the garbage pieces out. But y'all stay tuned for the next video. And like I said, that video will be copyrighted, and it will have a large portion of it like just either cut out or completely silent to avoid the copyright. So that will be the last time I make that mistake, because I'm actually tired of a bunch of good videos gone to waste because of dumb copyrights. But whatever. The goal is to get monetized, so I'm not about to play with these people because it's hard enough to get around some of their antics already. I'm really about to go to this gas station and show y'all what's under the hood, so y'all can see, so y'all can like anticipate what's done. You know what I'm saying? Because the car really drives nice with the intake on, and the tune is really nice. The next video after I do the intake install, probably gonna be some final thoughts, what I really think of the RR tune and the intake and packages and whatnot. Because I do have headers on the way for this thing, and I really want to get an overall review for RR Racing. But until then, y'all just gonna have to deal with the next video. So y'all stay tuned for that. Also, man, a whole lot of parts are coming for the car, bro. We already have the headlights. I have eyelids for the headlights that are paint matched. RDL Lexus just got with me and said my bumper is on the way, so that's really exciting. What is all of this on my car? That is insane. But yeah, 4IS converted, front bumper incoming, bro. Check this out. Woo! Sheesh! That's crazy. But yeah. That man dumb. Ooh. I like scat packs. I do like scat packs. That is crazy. I will buy a scat pack before I buy a Camaro. Don't hate on it. All right? It's just fun swinging it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, to go in, get some snacks, you feel me? They got them. Give me. Thank you. Finally, bro. Y'all don't know how hard it is to get one of these, bro. The big bags, them big joints. Come on, you already know what I'm looking for next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bring it here. Yes, sir. You know what it is, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's the essentials. Yes, sir. Another thing, if y'all don't follow me on any social media and you found me strictly off of YouTube, I do have a TikTok. I also do have Instagram. The Instagram isn't really that good. I post just about the same stuff on Instagram I do as TikTok, but it blows up on TikTok, but not on Instagram. But I'm gonna put both, probably like right here, right there. And y'all, I mean, you can follow them if you want. It's free. You can make your mind up and do whatever you want with that. But I prefer you follow the TikTok, if anything, because I post funny TikToks. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.